Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to go over some information regarding tomorrow's CPI data, Consumer Price Index. We talked about this the last time it was released, and I want to talk about it before it happens tomorrow. So as you see down here on August the 10th is the next release for the CPI data, which again is tomorrow morning. So the reason I'm making this video is basically to kind of give everyone a heads up of what what could happen tomorrow when they release these numbers. Okay, market has done a pretty decent job of recovering the past few weeks, had a pretty good run, and this is going to kind of determine where we go from here, at least temporarily. Okay, we're going to take a look at the charts really quickly, then we'll take a look at the pre-market and the VIX term structure. We'll take a look at that as well to see what the market's telling us. So on the pre-market, the futures are currently down for today. Okay, nothing terrible, but they are looking like they're going to open red, which is actually kind of good for the markets considering we've been up and up and up. It's kind of nice for the markets to cool off just a tad, and that seems to be what they're doing here, but we'll look more into detail of that here in a second. VIX term structure, this is VIXCentral.com. Now we're currently, the VIX is only at 22, which is a good thing for us. Typically we like it, 20, 22, or even under 20 is really what we like to see. That means that it's consistently moving up. It's not really volatile. It's not shooting up and down and not having these big red days and things like that, right? So let's take a look at the charts, guys, and I'll tell you a little bit about what I kind of expect either way of what could happen tomorrow regarding the CPI data numbers. Okay guys, so talking about the CPI data numbers, I believe last time they came out they were like 9.1 or something like that, to where that was a lot higher than what the market expected, but they track basically the month before. So basically they're going to be going off of July's data numbers, and in my opinion they should be lower just because we've seen gas prices come down, some home prices have come down. Although it seems like a lot of the prices at the grocery store and other items are not going down, so I'm not 100% sure, but in my opinion it should be a little bit lower than that. So we'll kind of have to wait and see. But if the CPI data numbers come out and they are basically where they were the last time, like if they're at 9 or above, or maybe even anything close to 9, I think that we see a big drop down in the market. We break below this support level. As you see here, we're basically in consolidation mode right now, and the market doesn't know what it wants to do yet at this point. Okay, so if we have the data numbers come back and we don't like what we see, then we should break below this 4088 level and probably come down and retest 3950. all right, I don't think we go lower than like 38 or 3900, but still that could be a decent drop in the markets. If we come out and the data numbers are a lot lower than expected, then we're going to explode here, and I think we bust through this 4227 level here, and we get a good moonshot and we start moving pretty aggressive to the upside. Okay, we are currently close to overvalued on the 180-day 4-hour, and we are currently in a bearish pattern. So now when the market figures out where it wants to go, then that's where you'll see, in my opinion, an aggressive move either up or down. Okay, so if we see an aggressive move down, then we should get to undervalued fairly quickly, which I would expect would be around here, around the 3848 level, and then probably start to slowly recover past that point. And like I said, if we for some reason we come out and the data numbers are good and they're in our favor, then we should see this some volume start picking up and we should start shooting up to the upside. So that's the S&P 500. Let's take a look, guys, at TQQQ, because this is one that we actually trade and we day trade. So it's kind of pretty much doing the same thing. It's been consolidating here close to about that $36 level. It's fallen down here. I think undervalued territory would probably be around the 33 to 32.50 level. So if you're looking for a swing play, that would probably be what you're looking to enter in at. It can dip all the way down to about 28 bucks, and as long as it bounces off of 28, that's actually a good sign because it's above the red SMA line. Okay, everything right now is basically in overall a bullish pattern because we're above that red SMA line. However, it can go below there and change direction as well. I'm hoping it doesn't. But your level of resistance here is about $36 on TQQQ, which is about to update here in a couple of days because, as you see here, this 9168 is going to go away in a couple of days. So we'll have to do technical analysis, a technical analysis video on this and update the fib level. And then from there you have 48, 56, 64. But I'll do a video later this week to update everyone on the fib level on that. Okay, so anyway, guys, just wanted to provide you that update. Keep an eye on the CPI data numbers. They come out first thing in the morning, and keep an eye on the stock futures at about 7:30 in the morning tomorrow morning. I'll link that in the description below, and you'll be able to just type in stock market, and then you'll see an article that'll pop up and letting you know what's going on about the CPI data numbers, and go from there. So if it does fall, then your longer term positions, AMC, maybe AMC, I meant AMD, Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon. Okay, those are going to be some stocks that provide you another opportunity to come and buy in. Or if we have a red day today, that's going to be another opportunity for you to come and buy in longer term. All right, so that's what you got to think here on some of those plays. Is it's going to be up and down until they get everything situated, and it could be a rocky road over the next couple of years in the market. I'm not sure, but anywho, just keep an eye on the CPI data numbers, and like I said, 9 or greater, or anything around 9, I think we go down, and anything lower than that, I think that we see a positive move to the upside. So, all right, guys, all I got for you in this video. If you enjoy the content, if you appreciate the content, make sure and give me a like. If you have not subscribed yet, or if you know someone else who would find value in our videos and would enjoy our content, please do share and have them subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.